Good morning, students. Welcome back to your own classes. English is fun. Students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Today again, your teacher is here to teach you something new as before. Students, do you also love to learn something new daily? Yes, ma'am. वरना एक ही चीज रीड कर करके हम ऐसे हो जाएंगे. So funny. Students, when we learn new things, तो हमारा माइंड अपडेट होता रहता है. हमारे ब्रेन में न्यू आइडियाज जनरेट होने लगते हैं. जैसे एक ऐप को अपडेट करना पड़ता है बेटर फंक्शनिंग के लिए, वैसे ही हमें भी अपने माइंड को हमेशा नई इंफॉर्मेशन से अपडेट करना पड़ता है. Students, in previous video we have learned ing form of verbs. In today's video we will learn about the uses of is, am, are, has and have. Students, firstly we will know the uses of is, am and are. Let us know कि is कहाँ use होता है. So students, we use is for one object, person. So students, we use is for one object, person, animal or place. For example, the car is beautiful. Students, when we are talking about one person, one object, one place or one animal, we use is after the noun or pronouns. मैम, नाउन तो आपने बताया था, अब ये प्रोनाउन क्या है? मैम, नाउन तो आपने बता दिया था, अब ये प्रोनाउन क्या है? So students, pronouns are the words used in place of nouns. For example, he is used for the names of boys and she is used for the names of girls. We'll know more about pronouns in details in our next term. Let's see some of the uses of is. Let's see some of the uses of is in a sentence. She is my mother. This teddy is my favorite toy. So students, here a toy. So students, here we are talking about a toy. That's why we will use is. So we use this is our hall room. When we talk about one place, we use is. Sahil is a tall boy. The apple is very sweet. So students, अब पता चला कि जब भी one person, one animal, one place and one thing की बात होती है, तो हमें is use करना होता है. Now let's know the uses of am. I am Ritu. Students, am is used with oneself. जब भी हम अपने बारे में बात करते हैं तो हमेशा I यूज करते हैं and I के साथ हमेशा am ही यूज होता है. Let's see some of the examples of am in a sentence. I am a doctor. I am going. I am a boy. I am going to my friend's house. I am genius. Now let's see Now let's know about the uses of are. Cookies are ready. Students, we use are for more than one object. Cookies means there are more than one cookie. हम plural form के बाद are use करते हैं. Let's see some more examples of are. You are a good dancer. Students, we use are with you. जब भी हम किसी दूसरे से बात करते हैं तो हम उसके लिए हमेशा you use करते हैं. We are having fun. Students, we use are with we. The flowers are pretty. Students, here flowers is a plural form. तो इसीलिए flowers के साथ हम are use करेंगे because flowers एक plural noun है and ये show कर रहा है कि यहाँ से one नहीं, one से ज़्यादा flowers हैं. The ice creams are yummy. So students, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ सिर्फ एक आइसक्रीम की बात नहीं हो रही है, यहाँ पे one से ज़्यादा आइसक्रीम्स हैं. That's why हमने यहाँ पे are use किया है. Students, now we'll learn about has and have. Students, do you know? एक बार एक टीचर एक क्वेश्चन पूछती है. Who has the answer of my question? तभी एक स्टूडेंट बोलता है I has the answer. ये सुनते ही सारे बच्चे जोर जोर से हंसने लगते हैं. Students, can you tell me why? Because उसे कुछ इस तरह से कहना चाहिए था. I have the answer. Students, the words has and have are called helping verbs. Let us firstly know about the uses of has. The word has is used with the singular noun or pronoun. We can also say that it is also used with the name of one person, one place, one animal or one thing. For example, Kapil has a green crayon. He has a black crayon. Let's see some more examples. A year has 12 months. February has 28 days. Sushil has a new pencil. So students, now we will know the uses of have. We use have with a plural noun or a personal noun. For example, I have a blue shirt. We use have with I. You have 2 erasers. We use have with you. We have to read storybooks. Students, we use have with we also. They have a beautiful picture. Have is also used with they. Bikes have 2 wheels. So students, bikes means more than one bike. एक से ज़्यादा. तो ये क्या है? Plural form. That's why we will use have for plural nouns or plural form. So we can also say that we use have with plural nouns and personal pronouns. I hope you have understood the difference between is, am, are, has and have. So now it's time to see what we have learned through MCQs. First question is, we use dash for one person, place, animal or thing. Are or is? The correct answer is. Next is, we use are with singular noun or plural noun. The correct answer is plural noun. Now next is, we use am with I or you. The correct answer is I. Now next question is, my dog dash sharp nails. My dog have or my dog has? The correct answer will be my dog has. Next question is, all the school buses dash yellow color. Has yellow color or have yellow color? The correct answer is have yellow color. Students, after checking your knowledge, now it's time to practice some questions given in your grammar book. Page number 23 and 24. Let us try to understand. First question is, fill in the blanks. So students, what you have to do is, you have to take the help from this help box and fill the blanks. Next is, fill in the blanks. So students, अब आपको क्या करना है? ब्रैकेट के अकॉर्डिंग जो भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब करेक्ट है उसे इस ब्लैंक में फिल करना है. अब आपको ये बताना है कि कब्ज के लिए हम am यूज करेंगे या are यूज करेंगे? We के लिए am या फिर are, the birds के लिए is या फिर are, and a rose के लिए is या are. Next question is fill in is, am और are to complete these sentences. अब आपको क्या करना है? इन sentences को complete करने के लिए is, am और are का यूज करना है. ध्यान रहे, one person, place, animal and thing के लिए is, I के साथ हमेशा am लगेगा, and are is used with they, we and plural form of the nouns. Next exercise is match these nouns with has or have. अब आपको ये देखना है कि कौन से nouns have के साथ मैच होंगे एंड कौन से has के साथ. तो I तो have के साथ मैच ऑलरेडी है. अब आपको ये बताना है my grandparents has के साथ मैच होगा या have के साथ. Similarly, you have to match the rest of the part yourself. Now the last exercise is tick the correct word. So students, you have to read the nouns and you have to tick the correct word. तो नाउन के अकॉर्डिंग आपको ये डिसाइड करना है कि यहाँ हैज होना चाहिए या हैव होना चाहिए. रिमेंबर, अगर प्लूरल फॉर्म है तो हैव, अगर सिंगुलर है तो हैज. That's it for today, kids. That's it for today, kids. By this module, I conclude the chapter named verbs. We'll meet again in the next video with the new chapter. Till then, be kind, be cool. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.